Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2006 Formula 240 BowRider. It's a 24-foot boat here. Got a nice swim platform here in back and a nice lounger off the back. All right. Coming inside this boat, got a nice seating here in the back. This one does come with a sink. It's a very nice, extremely clean boat. Does have a head. Very nice, absolutely spotless in there. The bows, a nice big area. Lots of cup holders. Again, no rips and tears or anything in the seats. And then we have our helm. Got all your tacks and gauges, all your switches, as well as a radio. And again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota.